JBS Australia is the Australian subsidiary of JBS SA, which is a Brazilian multinational company and the largest meat processing company in the world. JBS Australia operates in the Australian meat industry, producing and processing beef, lamb, and pork products for both domestic and international markets. JBS Australia has a significant presence in the Australian meat industry, with processing facilities in multiple locations across the country, including Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and Tasmania. The company sources livestock from farmers and producers across Australia and exports its products to various countries around the world, including Japan, the United States, and China. JBS Australia is committed to ensuring the sustainability of its operations and has implemented various initiatives to reduce its environmental impact, including investing in renewable energy and reducing waste. The company also works closely with farmers and producers to promote animal welfare and sustainable farming practices. The company processes and markets beef, pork, lamb, and other meat products to customers in both domestic and international markets. JBS operates processing facilities where animals are slaughtered, processed, and packaged for distribution. The company's processing operations involve several stages, including receiving livestock, slaughtering, deboning, trimming, packaging, and distribution. The meat products produced by JBS are sold to retailers, food service providers, and further processors, who use the meat to create other products. JBS is committed to ensuring the safety and quality of its products and has implemented various measures to achieve this, including investing in technology and quality assurance programs. The company also promotes animal welfare and sustainable farming practices through partnerships with farmers and producers. However, JBS has also faced criticism and controversy for its environmental impact, labor practices, and animal welfare standards. The company has been accused of contributing to deforestation in the Amazon rainforest, using controversial labor practices, and failing to meet animal welfare standards. JBS has faced several legal and regulatory issues related to its meat processing operations. In 2020, the company was fined for violating food safety laws in Brazil, and several of its executives were charged with corruption. JBS has also faced lawsuits related to alleged price fixing and antitrust violations in the United States. The COVID-19 pandemic also had a significant impact on JBS's operations, with several of its processing facilities experiencing outbreaks of the virus. The company implemented various measures to ensure the safety of its employees and maintain the continuity of its operations during the pandemic. Despite these challenges, JBS has continued to expand its operations and increase its market share in the global meat industry. The company has invested in new technology and acquisitions to improve its efficiency and product offerings. JBS has also pledged to reduce its environmental impact and promote sustainability in its operations. Overall, JBS's meat processing operations play a significant role in the global meat industry, and the company's performance and practices have implications for animal welfare, food safety, and environmental sustainability. JBS meat processing employs a large number of people globally, including in countries such as Australia, the United States, Canada, and Brazil. The company is one of the largest employers in the meat processing industry, with thousands of employees working in various roles in its processing facilities. The roles of JBS meat processing employees include animal handlers, slaughterers, butchers, trimmers, packers, and machine operators. These workers play a critical role in the processing of meat products, ensuring that they are prepared and packaged to meet safety and quality standards. However, JBS meat processing employees have also faced significant challenges related to their working conditions and safety. Meat processing work can be physically demanding, with workers often required to perform repetitive tasks in cold and wet environments. The risk of injuries, including cuts and strains, is also high in meat processing facilities. Additionally, meat processing workers have been disproportionately affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. The close working conditions in processing facilities have made it challenging to maintain social distancing and prevent the spread of the virus. Several JBS processing facilities have experienced outbreaks of COVID-19, leading to temporary closures and significant disruption to the company's operations. JBS has implemented various measures to improve the safety and working conditions of its employees. The company has invested in new technology and safety equipment, such as personal protective equipment, PPE, to reduce the risk of injuries and COVID-19 transmission. JBS has also worked with employees and their representatives to address concerns related to working conditions and safety.